This is Why the Nightingale for Then Nightingale Sings, a creative healing journey. I'd like to reveal a little bit of the mystery surrounding nightingale. I did a little research on my namesake, that rare songbird, the common nightingale. This is what I learned. He is not a very colorful bird. He's small in size, elusive, and a bit shy, perhaps a loner at times. He mostly sings at night or in the very early morning hours. He may even have a sensitivity to bright light. Scientists say it's only the male birds who do the singing, especially to attract a mate, but they also sing out danger warnings. Some scientists believe that the bird sometimes sings for no obvious reason, except perhaps for the sheer joy of singing. Some nightingales have between 200 and 250 different songs. I relate to all of these traits, and although I am female, I have used artistic license to create this story. My nightingale character is played by Songbird. Her costume is a crocheted outfit designed and made by Mel of the Crochet Cartel Company based in Colorado Springs, Colorado. You will see a lot of her artistic gifts as she has an Etsy presence, and you can purchase her creations there. She also has a website at crochetcartelcompany.com.